Hello and welcome to Vicky's Top Tips of the Week from OmVed Gardens. Today we're going to be planting some lovely peas. These are a variety called Spring Blush and they're gorgeous. They've got this lovely little bit of pink around each leaf base. So what you need for peas is they grow quite big and tall, so you're going to need supports. So first things first, we want some nice bamboo sticks. Some string is also great. If you've got one stick per plant, then you don't really need the string. But if you have got a limited number of sticks, what you can do is make a frame. So you just put, say, 6 sticks opposite each other, 2, 4, 6, and then you wrap string around each bamboo and create like a kind of shelf for them to grow up. But we're going to use individual sticks today for our plants to grow up. So it's really, really simple. We've used a root trainer, which is a pot with a really big root bit to make sure the pea plants go nice and deep. I stick my finger in the bottom and just carefully pull out our plant. And you can see these are a little bit pot bound, so I'm going to tease them out just a tiny bit, very gently, give them a tickle. And then I've dug over the soil so it's lovely and soft and easy for the roots to penetrate. And simply pop them in a good 4 to 6 inches apart, and again growing up each of the sticks. Then you give them water, and in a couple of months time you're going to have some lovely peas growing in your garden. Thank you. Join us again next week for Vicky's Top Tips in the Garden.